Eval function. The eval function evaluates the string like a Python expression and returns the result as an integer. Let us look at two examples. We will enter perform arithmetic operation on three numbers under a quote. If it is under quote, it will be considered as a string. Since we added eval at the beginning, it is now an integer. We can also input numbers from the keyboard. Example, we will enter an expression and using eval, we will compute the result. Though typecasting is not done explicitly, eval converts the string to integers.